Geothermal energy is renewable, affordable and available 24/7. So what's the catch? Geothermal water often contains impurities which can be demanding from a mechanical and operational perspective. It can lead to reduced performance for heat exchangers and other equipment, or actually even failure. But of course, there are solutions to solve these issues. With the optimal system design together with Alfa Laval's high-quality heat exchangers and with available service facilities, you'll be able to maintain full capacity with minimum downtime. This alternative to fossil fuels is on the rise in the heating sector, and especially where it's possible to use it together with district heating networks. But there's also growing interest in the use of shallow geothermal energy, which is available at lower temperatures. At Alfa Laval, we see great potential in geothermal energy in all its different forms. And our long experience in heat transfer will help you to get the most out of the hidden heat beneath your feet.